What's going on, YouTube family? ZX Predator here, and I'm gonna do this video raw. Tonight was a really rough night. Oh man, and Aces. All right, let me compose myself. So we were at bike night for Extreme Machines in support of the establishment, and just a whole slew of things were just happening that just was messed up. Get there. Shout out to Deshaun. He helped me get some awesome content for the channel while we were down there. I got to test ride the 2022 Busa, the Gen 3. Had my GoPro, everything good to go. Actually, not so good to go because my 360 camera, for some reason, it's being temperamental. I have 3 batteries, 2 Wasabis, and 1 GoPro battery that came with the camera, and none of them were working. Full charge, I don't know what happened. That's number 1. Number 2, I got that the 2022 Busa content, man, and it was done well. And we can't have nice things. I mean, the reason I'm frustrated is because, man, now I'm going to have to probably call Deshaun back and set up another vlog test ride because I lost my GoPro. My Hero 7 fell off the damn bike on the way back. And the reason why we're in a rush to leave is because, you know, I'm not going to call anybody out or whatever, but State Troopers showed up and, you know, all but shut down the bike night. So, went down with a group of my people, and folks started scattering. I'm just like, okay, you know, man, it just everything went upside down. So the bike night got messed up. State troopers showed up. Then turnpike, it was like troopers all over the place. So, but what hurt my heart, man, I did 2 test rides, and this is the 3rd time that I was trying to upgrade what you're riding with actually riding that person's bike. So now I gotta replace the Hero 7 that, you know, I bought from my cousin Garvin. And that camera, like, that was golden content, and that hurt. That hurt to not have it. I'm like, man, from the state trooper showing up, getting the content, and my 360 camera not working, then losing my GoPro, like, it just rough night. Rough night. So I'm gonna have to do that over. I have to do that Busa Gen 3 ride over, but it was done. Sitting somewhere out in the middle of Jersey. That just, my goodness, the GoPro mount failed. And I pull into the back of the garage, and then boom, no GoPro. I know it's happened to other people, but man, that is heartbreaking. Like, that was gonna be some golden content. If you know, I'm trying to push a little bit, add some stuff. I did put some surveys out, and, you know, a lot of folks are appreciating the SmackDowns, like trying to do test rides and try to hook up with like dealerships and seeing if I could do test rides and reviews. And it's just something. It's always some sort of obstacle, but I will stay the course. It just, wow, you guys would have loved that. Like, it was good. Did my walk around, did everything, and it just I'm doing this in an effort to be transparent. You know, like, things don't always go perfect, but this is gonna test my resolve and say, hey, you know what? Catastrophic setback, but it always sets up for the comeback. So I am really sorry, guys. Like, you know, I was checking my pockets, checked everywhere. GoPro's gone. Camera 360, but not, I don't know what's going on. Maybe this is a telltale where I just need new equipment. you know. So we'll see. So at this point, right now, I don't have functioning GoPros. I don't know what's going on with my 360, and my Hero 7. Oh, that it could be anywhere, and it's evening now time, so I don't know where it fell off, but I know I mounted it at the front of Extreme Machine, and then just lost it. My goodness, that. But yeah, this is a channel update. Like, wow, man. So yeah, that's so I guess I'm gonna do some vlogs to kind of, you know, catch up on some content. But wow, was devastating. So is the X Predator here, just letting you know, Murphy's Law. If it can go wrong, it will. But this is now gonna be a test to see who I am. If I'm gonna come back and handle it and not let this get me down. So I tried, and it was gonna be a nice surprise for you guys. So I'm done venting. You know, I'll be back with some more stuff. See you soon.